Preparing sumptuous stew with catfish and goat meat. Washing my catfish. Be frying my steamed goat meat. Let's get started. Frying my onions. I will stir until it's translucent. Adding garlic, bay leaf, curry powder, thyme. I will stir fry. Next is my tomato paste, seasoning and salt, Maggi jollof signature, can be used for stew also, white onions, stir and cover to cook. It is ready to stir. I'll be adding my stock water. I'll add seasoning to adjust taste. Next is to add my catfish. I'll stir gently, cover and allow to cook very well. It is time to add my curry leaf. I'll stir gently in order not to scatter my fish. I'll cover and allow to cook for some time. It is time to add my goat meat. I'll stir gently. My stew is ready. It is time to dish out of stew. Thanks for watching.